is Matsi. I'm a youth facilitator. In Lesotho, there is a quite number of adolescent girls and young women who are faced with challenges. The challenges, we encountered them during the facilitated film screenings that we have been contacting with them. They include the lack of access to information. Youth here in Lesotho, they don't know how to access information relating to the issues of HIV and AIDS, together with sexual and reproductive health and rights. They also do not know where to whom to meet with when they need such information. So as Lesotho Media, we are working with the partners in these communities where we ensure that these youth, they get information in the communities that they are based with. And we also ensure that they get the services that they would love to get as young people.